Welcome to this class. Let us solve this problem we have on the board. Y raised to the power log y is equal to 100 multiplied by y. What is the value of y? All right. What I'm going to do is, remember, for something to be on top, the only thing you need to bring it down is to use logarithm. So I'm going to be taking log of both sides. So I'm going to be taking log base 10 to both sides. So I'm going to have log base 10 y raised to the power log y, and this is going to be equal to log base 10 100y. So after this, and this log y, which is the power, is coming down to multiply log y. So I'm going to have log y dot log y, which is equal to log 100 plus log y. All right, so okay, so what did I do here? Okay, remember that whenever you have a log and the power, that the power will go down to multiply the log. We call it power log, okay? There is another thing about logarithms. When you have a log, when you have two things multiplying each other, they can add if they have the same base. Yes. So this is 100 times y. They have the same base as base 10. I don't want to be going with base 10 because it's all common logarithms. Log without the base means that it's already in log base 10. So that's why I broke it by adding log 100 and log y. But remember, log 100 is times in at 2. So this is going to be log y all raised to the power 2. Of course, because log y times log y is going to be log y squared. And this is going to be 2 plus log y. Why do I say this 2? Of course, you know why. Log 100 base 10 is 2. Now I have log y here, I have log y here. And this is quadratic equation already. So I'm going to say let log y be x. So I'm going to have x squared, right, which is equal to 2 plus this is x. So I'm going to solve for quadratic equation. And this implies that x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Am I right? Okay, that is fine. So we're arranging it in the form of quadratic equation for us to be able to solve it. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is to factorize this expression. So I'm going to have that x squared, and this is going to be 2x minus 2x, which is going to be minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is breaking this down in quadratic format, all right? So when I factorize them, I have x bracket x minus 2 plus 1 bracket x minus 2 equal to 0. So I'm factorizing this expression. So when I have that, I have x plus 1 or x minus 2 equal to 0. This is x is equal to minus 1 or 2. Now I've gotten what x is, but remember, I'm not looking for x, I'm looking for y. That is what I'm looking for in the first place. So what I'm going to do right now is to make this substitution. Log y is equal to x. So I'm going to have that log y is equal to x is minus 1 or log y is equal to 2. Remember, they are base 10. So log y base 10 is same thing as saying 10 raised to the power minus 1 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 1 over 10. Or for this is going to be 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 100. So this is how to solve this expression. Therefore, the value of y is 100 or 1 over 10. Thank you for being part of this class. Remember, you can always ask questions. Share this video. Subscribe. Thank you.